I'm Eric with KC Aviation, and we're pleased to bring to market November 134 Delta Juliet. This is a 2019 Cessna 182T Skylane, which features G1000 NXI avionics and a GFC 700 autopilot. There are many other features, so let's show you around. This beautiful 182T has 1,051 hours on the airframe and engine and has a useful load of 1,026 pounds. The first thing we're going to do is step inside and look at the panel. This airplane has premium features such as Garmin's Safe Taxi and flight charts, and additionally, flying behind the GFC 700 autopilot, you'll get electronic stability and protection as well as underspeed and overspeed protection. For the premium features on 4 Delta Juliet, you'll find equipped factory air conditioning, as well as the Flightstream 510 system, Garmin GTS 800 traffic advisory system, Garmin Iridium satellite, and Sirius XM and radio on board. Interior upgrades include a premium pebble leather interior, as well as 4-place AmSafe seatbelts and the rosin visor system. The premium paint on the exterior is finished in Matterhorn white with Concord pearl and Cumulus gray pearl. Additionally, you have LED lighting all around. Thank you so much for letting us show you this absolutely beautiful airplane today. You can find out more info on our website, flykc.com, or give us a call and we'd love to tell you more about it.